Good afternoon to all students. Already I have explained tense, present tense, and also their structures and also their forms. There are four forms of present tense. Today I am going to explain voice. Voice are two types: active voice and passive voice. Now I will give some examples of active voice and passive voice. First one, simple present tense. In simple present tense, what we will do? Active voice and passive voice. Now we have to follow some rules of simple present tense, active voice and passive voice. For example, he writes a letter. This is a sentence. In this sentence, he is the subject, writes is the verb, and letter is the object. This is the structure of the sentence: subject, verb, and object. This is active voice. Now we change from active voice to passive voice. How? We have to follow some rules in this simple present tense. When you change from active voice to passive voice, the structure is object plus is and are plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. How? He writes a letter. In this sentence, what we will see? What is the verb here? The verb is writes. In this verb is denotes to which tense? Which writes is the simple present tense. Then the verb object. The object is singular or plural. The a letter is singular. So now we confirm the writes is simple present tense and a letter is singular. So the passive voice structure object. What is the object here? A letter. So a letter I wrote here. After formalizing is and are. So a letter means singular. So simple present tense is and are. A letter means singular. So write here a letter is. Then verb 3. The write is base form. Write, wrote, written. Written is verb 3 of write. So a letter is written plus by plus subject. What is the subject here? He. When he will come to object place, the writing will change. He becomes to him. A letter is written by him. He writes a letter. The letter is written by him. This is the passive voice. Again, here he is the subject, writes is the verb, a letter is the object. First we will see what is the tense verb here. The verb denotes to which tense? The writes is the present tense. Then here object is singular. When you change from active voice to passive voice, object will come subject place. So I wrote here a letter. Then formula is because a letter is singular. So here write is. And then verb 3, here write is verb 1. Then verb 2 is wrote. Written is verb 3. A letter is written by him. This is the passive voice in a simple present tense. Now come present continuous. The present continuous structure is subject plus is and are plus verb 4 plus object. He is writing a letter. Here he is the subject. Is helping verb. The writing is main verb. A letter is object. So in this sentence, it is present continuous. Here is am are means present tense. Here verb ing means continuous. It is present continuous. That formula is present continuous in active voice to passive voice. Object plus is and are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object. What is the object here? A letter. So object will become subject place. A letter. After is and are, I wrote here is because is singular. A letter is, that formula is plus being. The letter is being, then verb 3. The write, wrote, written, verb 3. Then after by, after here he when he come to object place, that he comes to him. A letter is being written by him. This is the passive voice. Then come present perfect. What is the structure of a present perfect? Subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. Here I is subject, have is helping verb, posted is main verb, a letter is object. This is the structure of present perfect. Now we have to change from active voice to passive voice. A letter is object, object will come subject place. So I wrote here a letter. After has or have, your letter, your I will say how, because have used for I, we, you, they. But here a letter, you write here has, because a letter is instead of a letter, that pronoun is it. So it has, she has, he has used for he, she, it. So a letter is it. So a letter has been posted by me. A letter is it object, then has have, I wrote here has, then been, has been, then verb 3 here, already here posted, posted. Then here by plus subject here, when I will come to object place, it becomes to me. A letter has been posted by me. The structure of present perfect in active voice to passive voice: object plus has or have plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. This is the structures and examples of active voice to passive voice in simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect. We have to follow some rules and change from active voice to passive voice. Thank you.